Hello friends, today I need to fix this garage door motor. The problem in this, it don't stop on a proper point. I just checked, you can see the switch at the back, this one, it's broken, and even here also, these are the parts that touch the switch and make it stop. And one going on the corner, we need to fix these. Very first thing I'm gonna do, I already turned off the MCB for this one, but still I'm gonna remove power cable. Both the connections. Now to open those switch, I need to remove these two wires so I can pull this down and I can reach there and open that switch. Okay, so you can see friends, this thing supposed to come here, and when that roller coming this side, it's supposed to press this switch, both of these, to stop at this position when it's closed. And the same thing happen on the other side. The other switch is still okay. You see that was broken up with this copper wire, and just fix this. But this side now I need to fix, maybe with the hot glue, and I'll try to put the copper wire as well. Before I fix these switches, I need to fix that roller, and it's stuck, so I have to open these two screws and two on this side, remove this blade, and then I have to reach there. So here you can see I put the copper wire around, and then now I'm going to use the hot glue here. Okay, so now I am putting this back on place. Okay, so this should be on a position where both this switch stops. You can see here this. Now time to put this plate back. I tied the screw for the switch already, and position it on the closed position, and the other one I just keep it a little on a position, this one. So I'm gonna, once I fix all the wires, then I'm going to open this and see that at what position it need to be adjusted. That I will do later. And for now I'm gonna put these 4 screw back. Okay, so you can see I put back all the wires, red and black, and even the main wires. I connect everything, and now I'm going to start and check this. Okay, everything is fixed. I'm going to start. Okay, install. Now we are closing it. And stop at right at position. So it's working now. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.